It's a Saturday afternoon, a bit balmy, temperatures around 29 Celsius, and we're back by the Turag river on the border of Uttara and Tongi. And with me is my neighbour, hello, Sharaf. So welcome to my vlog, Sharaf, and behind me is my cousin, Fatih. Welcome, Fatih. You may have seen him in the last vlog in some form or another in the background. So in this one, we're going to explore the railway line up ahead, and also, with any luck, we're going to walk I think it's going to be a couple of kilometres from home base to pass the no-fly zone so we can get some drone shots at sunset. So we're looking forward to that. So stick with us and hopefully I can show you something worthy. Right, so that was a lovely jaunt of a river walk there, and we've reached the steps going up to the railway line. So have a look at that. I was actually here 6 and 7 years ago. So as you can see, it is an actually wide open railway line, no safety restrictions at all. Anyone and everyone can walk along it. So we're going to break the rules. This is what we're going to do this afternoon in all good fun. So first of all, let's cross this bridge, the footbridge for passengers, so they don't have to risk life or limb on the tracks. And I think that's the sound of a train coming towards us. Hope it is, because I want to show you that in all its glory as it approaches. And I believe, Mr. Jerlingers, if you're watching this, you are going to love it. And if you look over to my right, that's another footbridge as well, with another railway line, yes, from what I could see. Oh, the train is on the other side, yeah. Can you see that coming through there? I'll just stop and let you watch it there. And normally, you often get to see people train surfing. Oh, there's one guy there on the roof. There's a couple of them. They look like kids, but they're getting away with it. They're not supposed to, but they are also risking their lives doing it. Down, I almost didn't, but I just coughed it. There's holes in the floor, so you have got to be extra careful. It's all part of the fun and adventure here. So there's lots of life along this rail line, even people hanging up their laundry there to dry, housing there on that side, and even more laundry. That guy's bringing his laundry in there, I can see. So I've noticed with the two rail lines, Sharaf has an explanation for that, so go for it, sir.
So basically this line is for leaving Dhaka.
That's the one on my left, and then the one over on that side?
That line is for entering Dhaka.
Oh, right. From
different districts.
So there's only one line here and only one line there. There's not double track or anything.
There's no double track.
Okay, that's interesting to know.
Yeah.
And we reached another busy market spot, and here's a train coming past. Let you get a closer look at it there. Very noisy. People hanging out the doors, hanging out the windows. No safety concerns, but it's all part of their fun, I guess. Look at that. And this is actually a road as well, or what's left of it, a level crossing. There you go, wave bye-bye to that train. What station is that heading into?
Tongi station.
Tongi, and then after that?
After that, airport railway station.
Is that the last stop?
No, that's not the last stop. Then there is Kamlapur railway station.
At the last stop?
Which is the last stop.
Okay, all right. And there's a gentleman selling his pan on the railway line. Hope he gets danger money for that. And look at all these market stalls there. As a helicopter above us. They got their backs turned, but as soon as they caught sight of me, They're turning around. So from the looks of things, they have all the mainstream vegetables on offer. And over here, you can get some popcorn.
Sharaf, he's over here.
There is popping. And bananas, a monkey's favourite. Aubergine or eggplant. And if you're short of cutlery, this is the man here. So we've reached beyond the no-fly zone. Going to set up the drone here. It's a bit dusty, but I'll manage anyway. Okay, looks like we're ready to fly now, so see if it works after yesterday's unfortunate incident. But here it is. I got it back anyway. It's all in one piece. Just turn it on now. It looks like half of Bangladesh has turned up for this inaugural flight in Tongi, and it's ready. And here we go. So my cousin is on my camera duties here, so showing everyone around us there, and it's more curiosity than anything. So. You can see they're a little bit, they're all over me, so I have to keep asking them every few minutes just to step back in a polite fashion. But most of them have probably not seen anything like it, so it's all new and good fun for them, especially the kids. So that was one of the most fun and intense drone flights I've ever partaken in. As you can see, this huge crowd behind me, the whole of Tongi has turned up for it. So all the kids were so curious and they kept pushing into me. They were all fighting amongst themselves, trying to see what was on my screen, and I had to keep constantly asking them just pull back a bit, and there was a few people involved as well assisting me. But it fell on deaf ears because curiosity was getting the better of them. But it was all good fun, and just when the train was about to go past, the low battery kicked in and now it's getting a bit dark now. Sunset is 15 minutes away, so I don't really want to do another flight now. So I'm going to get everyone to say goodbye. So Shop Manushko, Tata, Khudafiz. Thank you, Assalamu alaikum. Dhanyavad. 1, 2, 3.
Like and subscribe.
Dhanyavad.